Time series functions include ago, to date, and period rolling. These functions let you use expression builder to call a logical function to perform time series calculations instead of creating aliases for physical tables and modeling logically. The time series functions calculate ago, to date, and period rolling functions based on the calendar tables in your data warehouse, not on standard SQL date manipulation functions. To create time series measures, you perform the following steps. Identify a logical dimension as a time dimension. Identify level keys as chronological keys. Create a measure using the ago function. Create a measure using the to date function. And then you test your work. Let's get started. To create an ago time series measure, return to the Oracle Business Intelligence Administration tool, and in the business model and mapping layer, right-click on the fact table, and we choose New Object. Then we'll choose Logical Column. Name the logical column as month ago dollars. Next, click on the Column Source tab. Choose the radio button derived from existing column using an expression. Now click on the Edit Expression button on the right side. The use of ago function is meant to report activities which are in the past or have happened in the past, and really comes in handy if you have to calculate variances between two periods or periodic comparisons. Under category, choose functions. Under functions, choose time series function. Under time series functions, choose ago, and then move it over to the right white space with a insert selected item. Next, click on Measures. Then in the category section to the left, select Logical Tables, then Fact Table, and then dollars, and you bring it over to the right. Click on the level, then select Time Dimensions, Time Dimension Table, and then month level. We'll repeat the step for number of periods. I'll just go ahead and click on the number of periods, and then enter 1 from your keyboard. The ago function calculates the dollars value 1 month prior to the current month. We'll click OK and save our changes. We'll click OK here too, and then want to save our changes. Do you wish to check global consistency? Yes. Consistency check didn't find any errors, warnings, or best practice violations. Then we'll go ahead and click OK. Next, we'll drag over the month ago dollars measure from the business model and mapping layer to the presentation layer under the fact table. This is how we move the month ago dollars. Next, log into the Enterprise Manager to deploy the newly modified RPD. Business Intelligence, Core Application, takes a few moments. Deployment, repository. We'll have to log and edit configuration. Log and edit configuration completed successfully. You click Close. Then we'll browse choose the pen.rpd, click OK, and we type in the password. Recall that the password is the same throughout this program. We want to make sure that we type in password correctly. Then we activate changes. Activate changes completed successfully. You click close. Restart to apply recent changes. Then we restart OBIEE components. And then we click yes here. This takes a few moments. Restart all completed successfully. Then we click close. And we'll log out of Oracle Enterprise Manager, Fusion Middleware Control, and then we'll log into Analytics.